Okay, guys, I think we might have a new addition, a new vehicle to the shop here. Let's go out and see. It's a Yukon, and we're gonna give you guys a demo of it, show you kind of what it looks like. But what this has is it has 4 Resilient Sound Onyx Series subs. So obviously one of the best that they're gonna have here. We hooked up one of our 10Ks that we got in the back, and we're gonna see what it does.
Someone to make me feel lucky. Someone that's so proud to be with me, she walk right up to her.